I've got 5 homes in Hoi An, Vietnam that I'm going to be showing you. 3 of them are mine and 2 of them are my friends. Homes 1 and 2 are from Cloudy Homestay. It's a beautiful homestay right next to the old town with a fantastic host and a beautiful family. She cleans the rooms every day and helps with anything you need. She occasionally even prepares snacks and huge dinners and small dinners, lunches and breakfast sometimes for the guests there. And she just does that out of the kindness and love of her beautiful, shining soul. And yeah, it was a fantastic experience staying there. This is my first room that I stayed in for 2 weeks. Had 2 beds, a desk, a dresser, a mini fridge, and yeah. For 3 weeks, I had a girl move in with me, and it totally fulfilled our needs for the time being. It's not Corona times. This room is usually about $7.5 million. Me and my girlfriend actually lived in here for 2 months. Got a TV, a washer. We can dry our stuff upstairs. We have everything we need. A fridge, a freezer, a nice little bathroom. And Vaughn is an amazing host. Her and her family are incredible and they'll help you with anything you need. And there's a couple different rooms you can choose from. Another one of our friends stayed in here for a while. Same deal, $7.5 million. A little bit different. AC. So after spending 2 months in this room and 3 months being so close to each other, we were ready for something a little bigger. And yeah, if you're by yourself, I think that this room would be fantastic and way more than you would need. The first room would be great too if you're all by yourself and you love going out to eat. This one's great obviously because there's a kitchen and you can do your own laundry and you got your own bathroom. I never imagined it would be as good as it was. So after we left Cloudy Homestay,
we moved into our first home together.
And it is very near the beach. The neighborhood is very nice, lots of surrounding gardens.
There's our beautiful neighbor right there.
Very nice neighbors. It's maybe a 10-minute bike ride to the market.
Let's check it out. This is our garage area. We have some beautiful peace lilies on the sides that we take care of every day. This is our living room. Beautiful smart TV right here.
Came with the smart TV, the furniture.
This is our kitchen area. Smart fridge as well.
Comes with this little touchscreen fridge. Pretty chill kitchen. Yeah, we're cooking a famous Moroccan dish right now. There's no AC down here. We have some fans, but we do have AC in the bedrooms.
This is our water filter machine, because here in Vietnam you can't really drink the water from the tap. And this is our first shower with a toilet and a sink. This is our laundry room. Got a laundry machine right here.
Woo-hoo! Backyard. Yeah, we just planted a bunch of chia plants and other random seeds along here. Can make tea out of the leaves. Our friendly neighborhood roosters over here. Roosters in. Oh, little chickens. Hey, little chickens. Oh. Orange tree here. And then we've got a papaya tree here. And the neighbors have some very, very beautiful papaya trees. Like, wow. Look at those papayas. You ever even seen a papaya that big? Like, wow. And over there, it's hard to see, but they have some big, giant jackfruit. I don't know if you've ever seen a jackfruit, but they're huge. Huge jackfruits. Yeah, it's the biggest fruit I think I've ever seen in my life. So this is our second bathroom that we have upstairs.
This is our guest room. Has a beautiful balcony in here. Some flowers. Beautiful view. You can see the lake over there.
Let's check out the back porch and the roof. Woo woo! So we got the house during Corona times, and I think normally it would have been anywhere from 10 to 14 million. So for this entire house, it just costs 7 million dong a month.
Which is $315 US.
And we do pay electricity and gas, which can be as low as 150,000 dong to 1 million dong, depending on how much electricity we're really using. So this house is by 2 big parks, 2 big lakes, by many restaurants, many stores, and is about 15 minutes from the old town. And it has a pool. Yeah, they only had like 10 to choose from. Yep. Got this little balcony, mostly for clothes drying, but.
And this is just 6 million?
No AC. I almost never use the AC. Big ass fan. This couch, obviously, I'm the only one that's been using it, so I just feel like this.
Hi guys, welcome to this awesome house. It's located right next to the old town on the bank of the river. It's about a 1-minute walk to the river, about a 10-minute walk to the old town. Please come in. Here we have our living room, kitchen, a guest room on the first floor, and a detached bathroom. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. It's got a nice size, air conditioning. It's got its own bathroom. The thing that sold me on this place was that both full bathrooms have this waterfall kind of shower head. So this is a detached bathroom just for guests. So neither person who's living in a room has to be bothered with letting people walk through. Please follow me upstairs. On the second floor, we've got two balconies. One just for drying clothes. And a second balcony to hang out with guests. The master bedroom. Again, we've got all the amenities that I mentioned downstairs. This bathroom has more of a Western style, where it's compartmentalized. You don't get water everywhere when you're taking a shower.
All right, Lawrence, so now that we have seen your beautiful house, can you tell us how much it costs each month?
So monthly I pay about 9.8 million Vietnamese dong, which comes to about $420 a month. It's a pretty good deal for this much space.
Beautiful, beautiful. And how do you like the location?
The location is wonderful. I'm 1 minute from the river, about a 10-minute walk to the old town.
There's 5 houses in Hoi An, Vietnam. If you're looking for housing in Hoi An, Vietnam, you can definitely just go on Facebook, join Hoi An Expats or Hoi An and Da Nang Expats, and make a post saying, hey, I'm looking for housing, and you will receive a large amount of offers of people telling you what they're offering for housing. You could also just use Hostel World, Booking.com, Google Maps, Google it. Yeah, you'll get what you need. And you could just ask around. I mean, really, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Thanks for watching my video today, guys. If you have any feedback for me, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.